To draw money from an Allpoint ATM, you can easily find a location using the Allpoint website or your bank's app. As the network includes 55,000 machines in convenient locations such as Target, CVS Pharmacy, and Walgreens. Once you've located an ATM, the process is straightforward. Simply insert your debit card into the designated slot, and the ATM will prompt you to enter your 4-digit PIN for security purposes. The PIN pad is conveniently located below the screen. After entering your PIN, tap the Enter button. The ATM will then ask if you'd like to view your available account balances. But you can skip this by selecting the main menu option. The main menu offers various options, including viewing balances, getting cash, transferring funds, and printing a balance. To withdraw cash, select the Get Cash option, and then choose a preset amount minus $20, $40, $60, $80, or $100, or opt for a custom amount by using the keypad to enter the desired amount. Note that ATMs typically limit withdrawals to $300 per day per account. After selecting your amount, the ATM will prepare your cash, and you'll be prompted to take your card. The cash will then be dispensed from the slot below. Finally, the ATM will ask if you'd like to perform another transaction. Select No to complete the process, and you'll have successfully withdrawn cash from your debit card at an Allpoint ATM.